Today I'd like to show you how to configure the 4x100G Breakout Link Test on the MT1040A Network Master Pro. The traffic levels in data centers continuously growing despite limited space and power capacity. Therefore, data centers operators and service providers are looking for new breakout-type optical transceiver solutions. Traditional Ethernet test instruments cannot test each independent breakout link, but MT1040A can test such links by splitting the 400G port into multiple breakout links to support independent Ethernet tests. So let's get down to setting up the 4x100G Breakout Link Test on the MT1040A. After starting the instrument, we get to the main menu with all available applications. This menu may vary depending on the options installed. In the Ethernet line, click on the N port BER tab and select the port that you are going to test. After loading the application, we get into the setup window, in which we need to configure the physical interfaces. First, in the port tab, select the interface type from the drop-down list as well as the breakout mode. Turn on or off necessary links separately or altogether with All On button. Confirm the changes made. The interfaces are configured and launched. Here we can see at what wavelength the selected transceiver works and what standards it meets. In our case, 400G breakout transceiver is connected to only one 100G link transceiver on the other side. Additionally, on the right we can see the independent information about each link. Then, in the Streams tab, we should configure the corresponding MACs and IPs. You can use the default MAC and ARP request as well as DNS and DHCP if required. We leave MACs and IPs as zeros by default, because in our case the transceivers are in the same instrument. For more detailed settings of the stream, you can go to the Detailed Settings menu. All possible stream settings are available in this menu. On each of the tabs, the corresponding settings are highlighted. You can also select additional technologies such as VLAN. Then the corresponding tab will appear to be able to configure the VLAN setting. To set up other links, choose corresponding button on top of the screen or simply copy all settings by using Copy To button. Since we got 100G link transceiver on the other side, we need to set it up as well. Click on Application Selector, load the BERT application with pre-saved setting from the Favorites tab. It is configured physical port and streams parameters which required for the demonstration. The application uses the second port of the second transport module. Start the traffic and return to N port BERT application. Go to the Port tab and click on the corresponding status box. Clear the history and check that all required connection parameters are in order. Thus, we have configured the physical interface of the instrument. Go to the test window, in which you need to configure the testing parameters. In addition to setting the general test parameters, interval length, start-stop actions, etc. in Control tab, and the traffic generator operating mode in Generator, we need to configure the stream in the Streams Profile tab. Select the type of transmitted data, for example data. Select the behavior of the line load, constant or step change in a given range. Select RAM. Detailed settings are available by clicking on the button. You can operate with percentages, megabits per second, or interframe gap. Set a percentage, for example from 50 to 100, in 10% increments, with a minimum interval of 3 seconds. Set invert RAM. Thus, the channel load will constantly change with the specified limits. Set the frame size to constant or random with a step. Now we leave it at 64. In the Streams MEAS tab, select the necessary parameters and the corresponding thresholds if necessary. In the Thresholds tab, set the error thresholds. You can also additionally set individual thresholds for each of the Ethernet parameters by clicking the Setup button. In the same tab, we set the FACT threshold. Set the symbol error rate threshold. We will leave the default value. To set test parameters for other links, choose corresponding button on top of the screen or simply copy all the settings by using Follow button. Click Start and the results window appears. We can see all port summary tab with all most important parameters for each of the 4 100G link. The B port summary tab displays standard BERT summary information for each 100G link independently. The Event Log tab displays the log of events that occurred during testing. If any error occurs, detailed information about it will be displayed here. All detailed statistics are displayed on the Statistics tab. In the drop-down menu, you can select various parameters and view their statistics. To save the report, click on the document icon in the right menu. In the window, enter the necessary data, the file format, PDF, XML or CSV, the name of the client, project, operator, add notes, load the logo and click Next. Select what to include in the report and click Generate. In the next window, select the Save directory, enter the file name, for example 4x100G Breakout Link Test, click OK and save report. After saving, the report is available for viewing directly on the instrument. Click View PDF. The report will contain all necessary information about the test, including complete statistics and log. Close the report and return to the application. Now we finished the 4x100G Breakout Link Test on the MT1040A Network Master Pro. That is all for today, and if you have any questions, please contact Anritsu. Thanks for watching.